The BigPicture Reports module helps you turn project data into clear, actionable insights with a wide range of customizable reports. The module offers two main views: preview mode and edit mode. In preview mode, you can review reports displayed on your dashboards and quickly interact with them. For example, you can add public notes, switch between chart, column, and list views, or zoom in to examine the data in more detail. From the Reports menu, you can also choose which box details are displayed above the reports and enable auto-refresh to keep your dashboards up to date. To customize your dashboards, switch to Edit mode. In Edit mode, you can customize your dashboard by simply dragging and dropping reports to rearrange the layout. You can also add new reports to the current dashboard. Available reports include Task Report to analyze tasks based on selected criteria or summarize field values. Team Dependencies to visualize dependencies within and across projects. Milestones and markers for a high-level overview of key project events. Plan delays to quickly identify delayed work. Project Health to monitor project status using the red, amber, green model. Risks Matrix to assess project and portfolio risks. Dependencies to manage task dependencies across your plans. Velocity to compare planned and completed story points across iterations. Capacity to analyze workload and remaining capacity for individuals, teams, skills, or the entire organization. The Reports menu in Edit mode also provides additional dashboard management options. You can create a new report, save the current dashboard as a reusable template, manage existing templates, adjust the box details displayed above reports, or enable auto-refresh, which refreshes the dashboard every 90 seconds. To create a new dashboard, click the plus icon and choose whether to start with an empty dashboard or use one of your existing templates. To manage a dashboard, click More Actions next to its name. From here, you can rename the dashboard, move its tab left or right to reorganize your workspace, save the dashboard as a template, or delete it if it's no longer needed. To sum up, the Reports module helps you transform project data into clear, actionable insights with customizable dashboards and a wide range of reports.